Alright, got a 2020 Nissan Leaf. If you want to get to your cabin filter, it's going to be located behind your glove box. You have a panel under here that's going to help you. If you just unclip it and drop it, it's going to help you, but what's really going to help you is if you lower the glove box down. There are some Phillips screws in these corners that you're going to need to take out, and there's one right down in here. Okay, there's one on the other side. Right down in here. Okay, and once you get those out, you can just pull the glove box down. Okay, this is a connector for the light in the glove box. I've already been in here, so the cabin filter itself is actually located right here in this panel right here. Okay, and to take it off, you get to unclip it from the bottom. All right, pull the little door off. And there's the filter right there. It'll be a big pain in the butt to get out. You got to kind of smash it out. Tab right here that you can grab. Okay, just pull this guy out. Right now, I'm not pulling this one all the way out because it's pretty much brand new. All right, but you can see how it comes right out. You're gonna have to fold the new one in when you go to put it back in. And just cram it back in there. Okay, like so. And put the door back on. Thank you. Bye.